I mean, do you ever notice that the things that we're used to are the things that we notice, are the things that we're able to respond to in the ways that we know how to respond to them? If you ever found yourself just suddenly aware of that. What buttons are you pushing? What buttons are you pushing in your life? What neurotransmitters are you associating with what events? What are you making your happy button? And is it in accord with the laws of nature, with the laws of humanity, with the laws of physics, with the laws of chemistry? Or is it built upon a false construct and indebted to the whims of a time that will be mostly, if not fully, forgotten by the vaults of history? Are you living in a timeless state of awareness and love? Or are you chasing after temporary things that will leave you empty-handed at the end of the day? I think you know the answer to this. If you settle in deeply enough inside of yourself at any given moment, you could do this right now. Just take a deep breath and ask yourself. And the answer will come. There's no need to force this. There is no force to this. There is only the living force. Heaven allowing that you're willing to surrender to this. That's just it. That's just it. Willful surrender. Seems like a bit of a paradox, doesn't it? It's not. Sorry if I've overcomplicated it by stating it as such. Oh man, I can't help it. It's the Gemini.